News Day continues here on One News Now. I'm Riza Diaz. The province of Cagayan has logged the highest death rate in the country due to the Delta variant. Citing data from the health department, Octa Research says Cagayan has recorded a total of 1,183 deaths from July to October. Now, this translates to around 920 deaths per 1 million people. Meanwhile, Metro Manila recorded the highest number of fatalities at over 2,400, but its large population pushed it down to 39th spot at 174 deaths per 1 million people. Now, other provinces with the highest death rate are Benguet, Apayao, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Guimaras, and Aurora. Now, since they have populations of less than 1 million. Meanwhile, Cebu ranked 8th with 459 deaths per 1 million people after recording more than 2,300 deaths. The rest are flashed on your screens. Now, Octa also says 8 provinces had fewer than 10 deaths per 1 million people. These are Misamis Occidental, Masbate, Basilan, Sarangani, Zamboanga, Sibugay, Camarines Norte, Maguindanao, and Sultan Kudarat. Meanwhile, the provinces of Tawi-Tawi and Zulu recorded no deaths due to COVID-19 from July to October. The health department says no or not a single death has been reported directly linked to vaccination. Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeres said that based on the casualty assessment, there is no death recorded due to vaccination. Vergeres reiterated that the death of 3 have been initially found to be unrelated to the vaccine. One of the minors died due to non-COVID-19 pneumonia, one due to dengue, and another minor due to tuberculosis.
These are initial diagnosis at ito po ay pinag-aaralang maigi ngayon ng ating mga eksperto para makapagbigay po ng kaliwanagan kung ito po ay dahil sa bakuna o hindi. Pero sa initial na sinasabi, nakikita natin may ibang sakit yung mga bata kaya po sila ay namatay.
Now, a number of deaths around the world, or nurses rather around the world, are decreasing further just as the Omicron variant continues to spread. Western countries have also stepped up recruitment of healthcare workers from African and other poor countries. The International Council of Nurses said that many health workers are burnt out from the pandemic, and rates of intention to leave within a year have climbed up to 20 to 30%. The group is urging countries to start investing in nurses next year.
It sort of feels as we come to the end of this year and think about next year. I almost think that governments need to be thinking about the life support package of measures that they need to be putting together to invest in their nurses and their healthcare workers next year, the very real and practical support that our health workforce is going to need to get us through this continuing pandemic.
Now, at least 100 people are feared dead in Kentucky after a swarm of tornadoes hit the United States Midwest and South. The tornadoes passed through 6 states, touching down in Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Missouri, Arkansas, and Mississippi. Homes and businesses were destroyed along a path of over 300 kilometers. In Kentucky, Reuters reports that around a dozen candle factory workers are feared dead after the tornado ripped through the facility, causing the roof to cave in. Now, many houses were reduced to rubble and cars were upturned as the tornadoes tore its way through the area. In St. Louis, Missouri, at least 2 people are confirmed dead as rescuers searched the rubble of what was previously an Amazon.com warehouse. Meanwhile, several people remained unaccounted for at the Amazon facility in Edwardsville, Illinois, as authorities look for people who might still be trapped. Amazon CEO Andy JC to Twitter saying that they are closely monitoring the situation. Meanwhile, a German couple has put up 444 Christmas trees fully decorated with tinsels and bubbles, now effectively setting the world record for most Christmas trees in one place. Let's watch this report by Reuters.
Hallo, mein Name ist Thomas Jeromin, ich bin 55 Jahre alt und ich habe tatsächlich den Weltrekord in den meisten Weihnachtsbäumen an einem Ort.
Ja, liebe Familie Jeromin, das Rekordinstitut für Deutschland bestätigt den neuen Weltrekord. 444 geschmückte Weihnachtsbäume und das ist Ihre Urkunde. Herzlichen Glückwunsch.
Dankeschön.
Super.
Geschafft, jawohl.
And those are the top stories of the hour. Join us later again at 12 noon as we continue to monitor the day's biggest stories. You can also catch One News on the Signal Play app. Register for a free account now at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. I'm Riza Diaz. We are One News.